In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make payments on Expedia. We'll walk through the full flow of booking a flight so you can confidently reach the payment screen and complete your purchase without surprises. Start by opening your browser and going to expedia.com. On the homepage, look for the Flights tab and click it. At the top, choose the trip type that fits your plans: round trip for travel out and back, one way if you only need a single leg, or multi-city if you're visiting more than one destination on the same itinerary. Next, enter your departure city in the leaving from field and your destination in the going to field. Expedia will suggest airports as you type, which helps you pick the correct one. Then select your travel dates. If your schedule is flexible, browsing the calendar can reveal cheaper days. Set the number of passengers so pricing and seat availability are accurate. Click search to see your options. When the results load, review the details carefully: departure times, layovers, total travel time, and airline baggage policies. Choose the departing flight that suits you and click to open it, then confirm by selecting it. Do the same for your returning flight. If you're booking a round trip, open the option you want and click select. You'll arrive at a summary page. Take a moment to review your itinerary, fare type, and the total price, including taxes and fees. If everything looks good, click next. You'll then be prompted to choose seats. Depending on the airline and fare, some seats may carry an additional fee, while others are included. Pick what you prefer and click next. Now add bags based on what you plan to bring. Many fares include a personal item, but checked bags often cost extra. Select the number of bags you need so the final total is accurate, then click next. It's time to set up your payment. Enter your payment method details, such as a credit or debit card, and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. If there's a field for promo codes or credits, this is where you apply them. Double check the traveler names match the government IDs that will be used. Confirm the total and review any fare rules like change or cancellation policies. Once everything is correct, click complete booking. You'll see a confirmation page and receive an email with your itinerary and receipt. Keep that email handy for check-in and future changes. That's it. You've successfully made a payment on Expedia.